Hello, everyone. This is just a quick review of this tempered glass. It's called Wsken. I bought this on March 25, 2025, and I was just curious because it keeps coming up in my TikTok, so I bought it. But I actually bought it in Shopee, not in TikTok. Since I've read that Wsken is a US brand, and they claim that they created the tempered glass in Italy, but a lot of the Soul brands and Wsken brands and the Orange App and even in TikTok, they all seem to be coming from China. So anyway, I'm not sure if this is the original one. But yeah, watch me put it on. It's so easy to put on. Like, even if you're not good in putting on tempered glass, it's just it has a base already. All you need to do is just put it in like a jigsaw puzzle, press in with the sticker with the arrows, and that's it. You have it all added. To be honest, it's really nice. For some reason, the screen display is much more clearer than the cheaper tempered glasses. But yeah, I haven't tried the more expensive brands anyway, so I can't really like fully compare. But compared to the mall bought one, this one is really cool. So after a couple of months of using, I noticed that it's actually much more stronger than the normal tempered glasses. I actually dropped this phone like a couple of times and it's not broken. However, today, an update, September 23, so from March until today, you can see scuffs now on the sides because like I said, I always drop my phone. But it's actually a little better than others because the cheap ones, if you drop it once, it breaks. This one, it had like a couple of drops before it gave up. So yeah, I think it's worth the money.